Hey everyone, and welcome back to FutureVest. Today we're diving headfirst into the future, specifically, the future of your investment portfolio. We're talking about the top investment opportunities that you need to have on your radar for 2025. Now, I'm not talking about your run-of-the-mill stocks. We're going deep into the exciting world of emerging industries and trends that are poised to absolutely explode in the next couple of years. Think of things like AI, the metaverse, electric vehicles, all that cool stuff that's not just changing the world but also creating massive opportunities for investors like you. So, if you're ready to potentially level up your financial game and position yourself for some serious growth, buckle up because things are about to get interesting. Alright, let's kick things off with the big one. Artificial intelligence, or AI as the cool kids call it. Now, AI isn't just some futuristic fantasy anymore, it's here, it's real. And it's only getting bigger. We're talking self-driving cars, personalized medicine, robots that can do your taxes. Okay, maybe not that last one yet, but you get the point. And when it comes to AI, there's one company that's absolutely killing it. NVIDIA. You know NVIDIA, right? They make those graphics cards that gamers drool over. But here's the thing, those same graphics cards are also the powerhouse behind AI. They're like the engines that make all that AI magic happen. Think about it. AI needs a ton of processing power to crunch all that data, and NVIDIA's chips are specifically designed to handle that kind of heavy lifting. And the demand for these chips, it's going through the roof. We're talking about a potential market worth trillions of dollars in the next few years, and NVIDIA is sitting pretty at the forefront. They're supplying the picks and shovels in the AI gold rush, and trust me, you want to be a part of that. But it's not just about the chips themselves. NVIDIA is also building an entire ecosystem around AI, from software platforms to partnerships with major players in every industry you can imagine. They're not just riding the AI wave, they're shaping it. Now, I know what you're thinking, NVIDIA's stock price is already pretty high. Isn't it too late to get in? And look, I get it, it's tempting to chase those cheap penny stocks hoping for a quick buck. But remember, we're playing the long game here. Investing in NVIDIA is like investing in the future of AI itself. And that future, my friends, is looking very, very bright. So do your own research, of course, but don't sleep on NVIDIA. This is a company that has the potential to deliver some serious returns in the years to come. Alright, moving on to another industry that's electrifying the world literally. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are taking the automotive world by storm, and for good reason. They're sleek, they're sustainable, and let's be honest, they just look cool. But while everyone and their grandma is talking about Tesla, there's another EV giant that's quietly dominating the market, especially in the world's largest car market, China. I'm talking about BYD, and no, it's not a typo. BYD stands for Build Your Dreams, and let me tell you, this company is making some serious dreams come true, both for its customers and its investors. They've been around for a while now, quietly building a massive empire of not just EVs, but also batteries, electric buses, and even solar panels. But here's the kicker. BYD is outselling Tesla in China, and by a significant margin. They've cracked the code of offering affordable, high-quality EVs that appeal to the masses, and that's a game-changer. Think about it. Tesla might be the luxury brand of the EV world, but BYD is going after the mass market, and that's where the real volume is. They're like the Toyota or Honda of the EV world, and that's a recipe for long-term success. But it's not just about China. BYD is aggressively expanding globally, setting up factories and dealerships in Europe, Southeast Asia, and even right here in the US. They're coming for a piece of the global EV pie, and they're coming in hot. Now, I know some of you might be hesitant to invest in Chinese companies, and I get it, there's always that geopolitical risk to consider. But here's the thing, BYD is a global company with a proven track record and a rock-solid product. They're not some fly-by-night operation. So, if you're looking for an EV investment that's a little off the beaten path, but with massive potential, BYD is definitely worth a closer look. They're the silent giant of the EV revolution, and they're just getting started. Green energy Canadian solar, powering the future one panel at a time. Alright, let's talk about saving the planet and making money at the same time, shall we? Because that's what investing in green energy is all about. And no, I'm not talking about throwing your money at every company that slaps a solar panel on their roof. I'm talking about strategic investments in companies that are leading the charge in renewable energy. And one company that's caught my eye is Canadian Solar. Now don't let the name fool you, they're not just some small-time Canadian operation, they're one of the world's largest solar panel manufacturers, with a global reach and a reputation for quality and innovation. We're talking about a company that's been around for over 2 decades, quietly building a solar empire, while others were still figuring out how to pronounce photovoltaic. They've got the experience, they've got the technology, and they've got the scale to be a major player in the global transition to clean energy. But here's the thing that really excites me about Canadian Solar. They're not just making solar panels, they're building entire solar energy solutions. We're talking about large-scale solar farms, energy storage systems, and even software platforms to manage it all. They're like the one-stop shop for all your solar energy needs, and that's a powerful position to be in. Because as the world shifts away from fossil fuels and towards renewables, Canadian Solar is perfectly positioned to capitalize on that demand. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't the solar industry notoriously volatile? What about all those government subsidies and tariffs? And look, you're not wrong. The solar industry has had its ups and downs, but that's the nature of any emerging market. But here's the thing, the long-term trend is undeniable. Solar energy is becoming cheaper, more efficient, and more accessible every single day. And as that happens, companies like Canadian Solar are going to reap the rewards. So, if you're looking for a way to align your investments with your values and potentially make a killing while you're at it, Canadian Solar is definitely worth a closer look. They're the quiet achievers of the solar industry, and they're poised for some serious growth in the years to come. The Metaverse, your guide to investing in the future of reality. Alright, let's wrap things up with something a little more, shall we say, out there. I'm talking about the Metaverse, that mind-bending convergence of the physical and digital worlds where you can be anything you want, go anywhere you want, and do pretty much anything you can imagine. Now I know what you're thinking, isn't the Metaverse just a bunch of hype? Isn't it just for gamers and tech bros? And look, you're not entirely wrong. The Metaverse is still in its early stages and there's a lot of hype and speculation surrounding it. But here's the thing, the Metaverse is more than just a fad, it's a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology, with each other, and with the world around us. And like it or not, it's coming, and it's coming fast. Think about it. The internet started as a niche technology for academics and tech enthusiasts, and look at it now. It's completely transformed our lives, and the Metaverse has the potential to do the same, if not more so. Now, investing in the Metaverse is a little trickier than investing in, say, solar panels or electric vehicles. There's no one company that owns the Metaverse, it's more of a decentralized ecosystem with multiple players. But that doesn't mean there aren't investment opportunities. In fact, there are tons of them, if you know where to look. We're talking about companies that are building the infrastructure of the Metaverse, like gaming platforms, virtual reality headsets, and blockchain technologies. We're also talking about companies that are creating content and experiences for the Metaverse, like video game developers, fashion brands, and even musicians. The possibilities are literally endless, which is both exciting and a little daunting. Now, I'm not gonna lie, investing in the Metaverse is not for the faint of heart. It's a high-risk, high-reward proposition. But if you're willing to do your research, be patient, and embrace the unknown, the Metaverse could be the investment opportunity of a lifetime. So, there you have it. 4 investment opportunities that could potentially make you a lot of money in the years to come. But remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, and always invest responsibly. Your future is calling invest in it. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the future of investing and the incredible opportunities that await those who are willing to embrace change. From AI to green energy, electric vehicles to the Metaverse, these are the trends that are shaping our world and creating massive wealth for those who get in early. Remember, the key to successful investing is to adapt to the changing economic landscape. The companies and industries that thrived in the past may not be the ones that thrive in the future. By staying informed, thinking critically, and embracing innovation, you can position yourself for long-term financial growth. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and explore these emerging opportunities. Do your own research, consult with a financial advisor if needed, and most importantly, invest in what you believe in. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on building wealth and crushing your financial goals.